Namaste. Welcome to your prenatal asana series. We are practicing standing quad stretch. This asana is very simple and is safe to practice in all trimesters. In case there is excessive fluid retention or knee pain or ankle pain, in that case, this can be avoided. Otherwise, this is a very good asana, and it also allows opportunity once again to maintain the balance. It can also be considered as partial balancing asana as well, because you require to balance your body at a certain level. This asana has benefits like it stretches your quadricep muscles, it gives an opportunity for your knee, ankles, and rest of the hamstring muscles to also stretch at the same time. And also, it allows good relief to the legs or the lower body, and can also help relieve any tensions in the legs, or at times there is soreness in the lower body. That can also be relieved by practicing this asana. It's a simple one, but just try to maintain balance and focus that women is trying to concentrate within this posture. So the simple way to practice this is simply taking your one hand and trying to lift your one leg and hold the feet and stretch the leg as much as possible. Now, for some women, especially in the third trimester, it can be difficult to balance, or the size of the belly makes their whole body weight unproportionate. In that case, they can use a support of a wall or a chair just to keep holding on to this posture and being able to stretch the quadricep muscles more powerfully. And releasing. And you can practice this on the other side. You can always use even the simplest asana as an opportunity to allow them and ask them to close their eyes for a while and go deep within, inhale more deeply, trying to learn to balance their body, surrender to their body, learning to relax into each asana, and hence preparing them for their prenatal and labor journey. Every asana is an opportunity to learn and to create more balance, to go deep within and surrender to the body, knowing the natural instinct of the body, connecting to it, and letting go of fear. So every stretching can be relieving, and every stretching or every little asana can be a reminder to connect to the belly more, connect to the baby more, learn to relax in the body more. So use it as an opportunity. Thank you.